Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Claude AI account for free or pro. If you're using Claude AI and you want to create your own account, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to go to search and here to search for Claude AI, and you might see this type interface by opening up the official website of Claude AI. And here you have to create your own account. You can create your account using your email, or you can also continue with Google. So if you want to use your email, just enter your email address here, click on continue with the email. You might see an OTP or a code on your Gmail, so you just have to enter that, and your account will be created. Or you can also create or select continue with Google, and here select your Google account, and from here you have to click on continue, and once you have done, your account is created in some few moments. So once you are here, it's your free account. If you want to create a pro account, so you just have to click on this upgrade option. Just click on upgrade, and here you might see different options. Here's the individual, and here the team and enterprise. If you're using it, if you want to use your single account for your team, so you can select from here. Here's the team, here's the enterprise. So you have to click on this get team plan or get enterprise plan, or you can select individual. And individual, you have three options. The very first is free. You can use Claude for free. Then second is Pro. So you have to pay almost $17 per month and to get a Pro plan. Or you can get a Max plan. It's a higher limit security access, which has almost $100 per month. So you have to click on this one. If you want to, you can cancel anytime. If you want to buy any plan, it might be a Pro or Max, so you can cancel it anytime. Or you can also continue with Claude free version. Just click on use Claude for free, and now you have done. Your account is successfully created. If you want to make some changes in your account, just click on this account option, and here your name, go to settings, and settings, go to account, and from here you have to change your account setting, or in general section you can change your avatar or your profile photo. You can change your name, or you can also change what Claude call you, so you can enter that here. So in this way you can easily create a new account for Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.